skill, me still got actually I'm Bailey the baller. Mount a girl, me have you know the baby mother drama. Check any lane, canna play garadada. I let my guano when my pass through a funeral.
Missing key man, but this is Bailey who's in and scores!
Hi viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is DJ Lenny Vivo, V to the I to the V to the O. And as you can see on the screen, that was Leon Bailey scoring his first Premier League goal for Aston Villa. You know what I mean? It's just a wonderful feeling for Jamaica and also a great feeling for Leon Bailey. You know what I mean? The last time a Jamaican born scores in the Premier League was 2010. And that was Ricardo Fuller. So I will repeat what I just said so that everyone can understand me very clearly, right? I was saying the last time a Jamaican born player scored in the English Premier League was 2010. We have a lot of Jamaican players scoring in the Premier League up to today, you know what I mean? But they're not Jamaican born, they're overseas based. So that's the credit that Leon Bailey is getting right now. So all Jamaicans, young baller, have to really look up to Leon Bailey right now because he's basically setting a new trend and turning a new page for Jamaican footballers, you know what I mean? Even though Leon Bailey is doing very great in the Premier League, we must all remember that he never scored an international goal for Jamaica. You know what I mean? He still don't get that international goal as yet. You know what I mean? But you just have to give him time. Nothing happened before the time. You know what I mean? Possible when he scored his first goal for Jamaica, that could be 2 goals or 3 goals, which could be very, very important for us. You know what I mean? I realize that other overseas base players are doing well in the Premier League, but when they're playing for Jamaica, they're not doing so well. You know what I mean? But we really want Jamaica to make it to this World Cup. Back to Leon Bailey now, guys. Now, this goal is a very, very important goal for Leon Bailey. Reason why? It was his first home match for the team. You know what I mean? The home team was there supporting him from early. You know what I mean? When he was coming on the field, everyone was calling Leon Bailey's name. So to score at home for your first debut match at home is very great. You know what I mean? So he basically gained some fans right there. You know what I mean? So it's very good for Leon Bailey. To be honest, guys, I'm really, really concerned when it comes to Leon Bailey, especially right now. We know that he's just coming off an injury, and now he scored his first goal, and he was basically have to take off the field. You know what I mean? So when he was interviewing about his injury, he said that he wanted to score that goal so much that he basically kicked the ball too hard, and he was basically feeling some pain in his quad. So he's saying that he think he kicked it too hard, so that means he's not 100% fit. So I guess he have to possibly get some time strengthen his leg and go back again because he have a lot of matches to play. You know what I mean? And to continue hurt up this injury, not going to make it better. So you have to ensure that he's 100% fit before he play no more football for now. Okay guys, so if you're really happy for Leon Bailey, I'm asking you to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, please don't forget to share the video. You know what I mean? It's the best you can do right now. Please share the video. And you also can leave a comment in the comment section what you think about Leon Bailey and how far you think he's going to go. And I also want to know what you guys think about Reggae Boys. Do you think that they will make it for this year's World Cup? Because they're basically not doing well at the moment. 3 games, 1 point. Don't look very well. We have the best team on paper, but when we go there to play, it seems like it's a different team. I realize that a lot of persons are coming down very hard on the coach. They're basically saying that the coach is selecting the wrong team. But these guys are international players, most of them. You know what I mean? These guys are professional. You know what I mean? So even if you pick a B team to go out there and represent Jamaica, they should do their best. And if you listen Tapa interview, he said that most of the guys wasn't committed to the team and they wasn't fighting, you know what I mean? And for the coach to come out and said that, hey, these guys are not fighting, simply mean that they're not pushing out 100%. You know what I mean? The first game we played against Mexico, we used like most local based players and we do very well, even though we lose the game in the last. You know what I mean? But we basically could get a point there with more luck, but we didn't. And then the second game with Panama, we get in a lot of international players. I get in about 10, 8 or 9 somewhere there. And it was the worst game that we play. It was the worst game. And we basically lose that match 3-0. First in history where we lose a match 3-0 in World Cup qualify. You know what I mean? And then the third match, we do much better against Costa Rica. We'll get the chance to win the game, but unfortunately we only score 1 goal. You know what I mean? We give up a early goal in that match, and then we come back and draw the game 1-1. And you can see the fight in those guys, and that was the local players. So is it a difference between the local players and the international players? I want to know in the comment section. Do you think we should give more local based player the chance and basically just select a few international players that we know want to play for Jamaica? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, okay? Really and truly, I think that our problem is chemistry. You know what I mean? We don't have that chemistry. If you realize we played 3 matches already and it's basically 3 different teams that go there and perform for the Reggae Boys. These guys don't play together. They don't know each other. You know what I mean? They don't communicate very well. They only see each other for like 3 weeks and that's it until the next match again. So we need a team with chemistry. We know a team that people know each other. So now it's a good time for Jamaica to really step up and start winning some matches. Because as I said, a lot of them are doing very well in the English Premier League. And English Premier League is one of the biggest leagues worldwide. So if we can do good in the English Premier League, that simply means that we should be doing much, much better. Because in CONCACAF, we're basically the 3rd best team in CONCACAF for the last 4 years now. So we should be doing better when it comes on to World Cup qualifiers. You know what I mean? So it's like we're dancing good overseas, but we're not dancing good at home. Remember we say dance here before you dance abroad.
You there? Yeah, me still got actually I'm daily the baller. Mount a girl, me have know the baby mother drama. Check any lane, canna play garadada. I let my guano and my pass through a funeral. Nafi papi tagi yafi sure 50 grand for me cologne. Mini papi sure. Girl I sing and draw a note. Ink up everything I show.